So we'll see together how to ask what the dish is. Just imagine this situation. Maybe you were already in this situation. You are at the restaurant and then you look at the menu and you've got no clue what all these beautiful dishes are. So you can ask the question. I will just give you a few tips. So the first one, could you tell me what bœuf bourguignon is? Vous pourriez me dire ce qu'est le bœuf bourguignon. Vous pourriez me dire ce qu'est le bœuf bourguignon. Vous pourriez me dire ce qu'est le bœuf bourguignon? So, of course, I mean, le bœuf bourguignon, you just change it, you put the name of the dish, and you ask the same question. It's a really nice question, because as you can see, I'm using the vous form, so it's a polite form. I'm putting the pourriez, it's could, so it's the verb can in the conditional form, so it's really nice, okay? This is probably the first one that you should use if you want to have more information regarding a dish. Excuse me, what are stuffed tomatoes? Excusez-moi, c'est quoi les tomates farcies? So same thing here, you just change les tomates farcies, you put the name of the dish and you use this structure. Excusez-moi, c'est quoi les tomates farcies? Excusez-moi, c'est quoi les tomates farcies? So this one, as you can see, we're using this excusez. So it's the vous form, okay? But then we don't put any conditional, so it makes this question a bit less polite than the previous one. Okay, it's just, I mean, it's extremely correct, no doubt about that, but it's slightly less polite than the previous one. Excuse me, what's in your ratatouille? I'm looking at my excusez-moi, I've been too generous. You've got this extra I mean, it shouldn't be there, huh? Okay, so let's pretend that it's not there. Excusez-moi, il y a quoi dans votre ratatouille? Excusez-moi, il y a quoi dans votre ratatouille? Okay, excusez-moi, il y a quoi dans votre ratatouille? Well, same thing here. I mean, it's quite correct because we're using this excusez-moi. Okay, so it's totally correct. I mean, slightly less polite than the previous one that we had, but in that case, you want to be more precise and you want to know exactly what's in the dish. Okay, so the person will probably give you the ingredients after that. Or not, if it's a secret recipe. My God, I've been putting this excusez one more time. I'm sorry about that. It shouldn't be here. Huh? Excuse me. What is the meat served with? Excusez-moi, la viande est servie avec quoi? Excusez, so without this extra after the X, I'm sorry about that. I will correct the PDF, don't worry. Excusez-moi, la viande est servie avec quoi? Excusez-moi, la viande est servie avec quoi? What is it served with? C'est servi avec quoi? C'est servi avec quoi? C'est servi avec quoi? So in that case, you can see that it's getting shorter and shorter. This one is I mean, it's an efficient question because you want an answer You don't say excusez-moi, so it means that whether you've been starting the interaction and then this question comes added to the thing that you were discussing previously. So it's totally okay. If you want to start with this question and ask for the attention of the person, go for excusez-moi first, just to make sure that, I mean, this person will be polite with you after. What is it served with? Avec quoi est-ce que c'est servi? It's exactly the same concept here. Avec quoi est-ce que c'est servi? Functional question, I mean, this one is clear. Same thing. If you want to ask this question in the first place, go for excusez-moi. Just try to be polite, especially in a restaurant. I mean, you want to have a good service, and French people can serve you quite well, but they want to be treated politely. Merci beaucoup.